Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 2. It's actually like 2 p.m. right now. I've been spending my whole morning literally editing because I am such a perfectionist, even though my vlogs are probably poop. I spend a lot of time editing them. So I've literally just been doing that. I woke up at like 5 this morning and I'm just uploading it now. I just hope that I get a little bit faster. I'm really slow at editing and it is so loud here, girl. If you're wondering where we are at Francesco's place because we're just gonna tidy it up a little bit, clean, and then give the keys to the landlord. And then we're good. We good. Whenever you're in the staircase or the shower, you just sound like so bomb. Listen to this. I love the way. And then if I go in here, I love the way. Ooh. I guess I can dodge this place now.
Finisce 2-2 a San Siro. Il primo.
Got my coffee, got my pancakes, and I'm waiting for my video to upload.
Sai cosa le fai se stai a vincere 3-0? Che cosa le fai se stai a vincere 3-0? Non le fai se stai a pareggiare col Parma a casa, ragazzi. Devo prendere 3 punti.
Oh, this is so good. Waiting for this to upload. It's gonna take forever. This maple syrup, like, it was actually really good. It's real maple syrup, certified by a Canadian. This is so bad. Look at this, like, scaffolding thing. There's like a ladder, so this whole time, like, it's been pretty much bad luck. Look. Bye, room. I'll be seeing you. Maybe soon. Whoops, sorry, I meant no. Maybe not soon. Hopefully never again. Okay. Don't hate me. But it's currently dark outside. It's actually like 7. Is it 7? Let me check. Yeah, it's 7. So second day of Vlogmas and it's going good. I got my shit together. I know what I'm doing. Girl, I got this. Pretty much what ended up happening the rest of the day was me and Francesco waited like 2 or 3 hours for his landlord to come so he could give his keys. Let me do my lips. Click. I look like such a mess. Oh god, my eyebrows are off. You know what? We might as well just get this out of the way now because, girl, you gonna be with me for the next 24 days of my life. And let me just tell you, I can just be not cute. By the time I knew it, it was like 4. And then because there's a new tenant, as you saw, like we were just setting up like their new bed. And then it was like 4:30 when we were coming back. I got like really car sick, like in the car, like I felt like I was gonna puke, and I don't really have that. And I think it's just because I ate those pancakes. Like we didn't eat anything else other than those pancakes. So yeah, I literally had to eat something. So we stopped by Starbucks really quick. I had one of those turkey panini things, which are so good. I just feel really bad because it is the second day of Vlogmas and it's already a little bit poop. Today was supposed to go like so much differently, so I'm really sorry. Tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow is gonna be very busy for me as well, so I'm not really sure like how much I'll be able to vlog tomorrow. So it might be more of like a sit down kind of video, so I hope you guys don't mind. But anyways, it is now, as I said, 7 o'clock. My first Vlogmas video just went live and now I am hungry, so we're gonna eventually start cooking. But what I think I want to do is I just want to like tidy a little bit. This is giving me anxiety. Look at all of that. Oh, not just in here but also in my room because it's a disaster. I don't really know how I'm gonna like make this look cuter, but hopefully we can. You know what, to be honest, like I literally just feel like watching the Victoria's Secret show is on today. When is that? Oh wait, shit, I'm in the UK. Do they not play that on Sundays? No, they must. I'm gonna look that up after. I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes first. Done. Now they're all ready for the week. So I'm actually getting like really hungry. So I think I'm going to start cooking dinner. I just want to say like one thing before I just continue vlogging. Like I'm not purposely not trying to, wait, doesn't make any sense. Not purposely not trying. I'm not like trying to hide Francesco from you guys. But he's not very comfortable being on camera and I like totally respect that. Maybe let's put on this light. Some people like to yell how much they love someone and like show them on Facebook and stuff, but other people like to be a little more private, and that's more my style. So I just wanted to let that out. So I think I'm just gonna start cooking dinner, and then I'm gonna go figure out when the Victoria's Secret show starts because girl, I need to watch it. I'm also gonna finish tidying as well. So for dinner today, we're gonna be cooking beef spaghetti. I'm not really good at it, I'm not gonna lie. I have some Sauvignon Blanc, which was like the only small thing of wine they offered at Tesco Express. I don't really know if this is gonna go good with that. I'm pretty sure you need red wine, but we'll just try it. We'll just try. I picked up this from Tesco as well. It's sun-dried tomato, garlic, and basil, which sounded absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna put that as well. And then we also got some onions. This is boring. You know, I actually really like to watch vlogs like this. Is that weird? Maybe someone will appreciate this. Okay. That sneeze made me think he fell or something. Look at all the comments. Oh yeah, my screen's cracked, by the way. Bro, when you said ghetto, I lost it. I said ghetto. But again, hunty, I need to do my advent calendar. So let's take this down here. Where's day 2? Here it is. Oh, okay. Oh. I got oh my god, that's actually terrifying. What is that? What is that? Ew, is that like a ghost sticking its tongue at me? Do you guys see that? The first one I had yesterday, if you guys saw, was like a really terrifying looking deer, and this one's like a terrifying looking like bear. Do you guys want to know the most annoying instrument in the whole world? This right here is called an automaton, and it is the most annoying thing in the whole world. I bought this for Francesco for Christmas last year because he really liked it. We saw it on Facebook and I was like, how funny would it be if I actually got this for him? But I saw this in his bag and I thought I would show you guys because I've never showed this in a vlog before. So the way it works is like you squeeze his head to make the noise come out. There's like different tones on the back, so mine at the moment is at the lowest, but you can make him go to mid where he's like, or you can go even higher than that, which is my favorite and the most annoying. It's really hard to play because it has like, it's like a violin. Let's play Bodak Yellow. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I also have a headache just from playing that. But I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was really like boring all over the place. Hope you enjoyed anyways, and hopefully tomorrow it's gonna be a lot more interesting. I think it will be. Okay guys, I will end it. I need to sleep, and I will see you very soon for, not very soon, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm talking about, I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 3. Okay, bye.